Hello everyone, this is Ubaid and today I'm going to presenting my CS50 Python final project, and my project title is StudyMate. This is actually the CLI version of a project that I have made in CS50X 2025 Introduction to the Computer Science. So basically StudyMate is made for students that concise the large amount of data and give you the summarized version of it and the core ideas and formulas. So let's have a look on it. So StudyMates, as you know, is gonna give you the book crash sheet. If we look on that, the problem is we as a students have hundreds of pages to read, and so obviously it took times and information overload. So we made a crash sheet for students using StudyMate. So it's gonna one command is gonna give you, if we give the PDF and through Python PDF2, text extraction, sentence processing, pattern matchings, summary generation is gonna give you a crash sheet of it. The key feature that have been used in this is PDF extractions is going to give you core ideas, definition, formulas, date detections, reading summary, and it's basically CLIG, so it's a lightweight. The technology that I've been used in this project is Python and Python PDF2 is a library, and pytest also a library. Regular extension that has been used for formulas, and it's gonna collections. And as you know, this is the CLI version. So that's the demo of it. If we give this command python project.py books PDF, so it's going to load the file and extract the text and generate a crash sheet, and through these libraries and the code that I have wrote, it's going to give you in command sheet that's crash sheet and core ideas, definition, formula, etc. from hundreds of pages. Future investment can be, we can make a GUI version of it, AI summarizations, cloud storage, and have a multiple accounts and history of it. And if we extend to the multi-languages, it's gonna export to PDF and give you a files, and we can make a web and mobile app, and it's gonna support multi-languages in a future investments. So thank you. That was my CS50 projects, and thanks for your support and watching this video.